How did your German learning go last year? Did you reach those goals you've set for yourself, or did you fall off track? If so, don't worry. Life sometimes throws challenges at us, and it can be difficult to incorporate studying into our daily lives that are already busy as they are. I totally get it. Everyone goes through it, but there are ways to really stay on track with your goals and to make sure that you reach them. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how to first of all set better goals for yourself that you can actually achieve. And secondly, I'm going to share with you my effective language learning strategy that you can apply for learning German this year. I also have a little gift for you that goes hand in hand with today's lesson, so make sure to stick around till the end of this video. If you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen. I'm Salome, and having been an expat for many years, I totally get the whole journey of starting from scratch with a new language. Been there, done that multiple times. I know the highs and lows, the freedom and the joy that comes with mastering the language of the place you want to call home. So on this channel, my mission is to help you boost your confidence and conversation skills in German. If that sounds like your kind of content, be sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell to catch every new upload. Alright, so let's get started with setting a goal for yourself this year. For this, you want to start with your why. Why are you learning German? Is it because you're planning to move here, or you need it for your job, or you have German-speaking family members? Getting clear on your why is going to help you overcome the challenges along the way and to remind yourself to keep going when things get difficult. Now let's dive deeper into your why. What is a tangible goal that you can attach to your why? For example, if you need German for your job purpose, a tangible goal could be, I want to be able to have a conversation in German with my colleagues so that I can form deeper connections at my workplace. Or I want to be able to hold a job interview in German so that I can have more opportunities to build my career. If you have German-speaking family members, a tangible goal could be, I want to be able to speak confidently with my mother-in-law so that we can grow closer as a family. I want to be able to help my partner raise our child or children bilingually and be part of our family conversations in German. Next, I want you to visualize how it's going to make you feel once you have achieved this goal. For example, I feel an abundance of career opportunities in the German-speaking countries, and I'm excited for the future. I feel more connected with my colleagues, and I don't feel left out anymore when they speak in German. I truly feel home and less like a tourist because I'm fully integrated in my local community. I feel loved and connected on a deeper level with my family members. I don't sit on the sideline when they speak in German. So this exercise is really important in order to get consistent with your learning, because that is what most people struggle with. Consistency. I know that because I've helped countless students at this point to achieve their German language goals. I can tell you that it's not the amount of vocabulary that you need to learn, and it's not the grammar that seems overwhelming or too complicated, and it's also not because you don't have enough time to learn. At the end of the day, it comes down to your why and your priorities. So pause this video and take a few minutes to reflect, and feel free to share your answers to the following questions in the comments below. Why do you want to learn German? And what is a tangible goal that is attached to your why that you want to achieve? How are you going to feel after you have achieved this goal? You can also write your answers down on a note paper and stick it somewhere you see on a daily basis, and as a reminder when things get tough. Alright, so now that we have got that down, the question is, where should you get started? I know it can feel overwhelming with all these resources that are available out there, and I oftentimes see students make the mistake to buy a ton of textbooks, go on an app that doesn't teach you the full picture, or sign up for a language course that is mostly focusing on passing exams. And we all know that passing an exam does not equal the ability to actually speak the language confidently in real-life conversations. So there are really 3 things that you need in order to learn German successfully. 3 things, no more, no less. Don't go out there and buy a ton of books and try to make it more complicated than it has to be. I see you, and I'm calling you out right now. So the 3 things that you need are a language course that is geared towards practical German and focuses on building your speaking skills from the ground up in order to give you structure. The second thing is a language partner to keep you accountable and to practice speaking with. And thirdly, a notebook to take notes and write down new vocab that you're learning throughout the process. I know I might be a little bit old school in that regard, but in German we have a saying that is, was man schreibt, das bleibt, which means what you write down is actually going to stick. Okay, let's break these 3 things down so you know exactly what you will need for your learning journey. A language course that is geared towards practical German focuses on daily life conversations and helps you build a good foundation in pronunciation. There is nothing more frustrating than putting in the time to learn a language and then realizing that nobody understands you because of your pronunciation. So make sure that the language course you go for covers pronunciation and gives you space to practice as well. In my program, the German Fluency Academy, my students start speaking from day 1. They are equipped with practical phrases that they can incorporate into their daily life. And in the first part of the program, they also undergo an intense training in pronunciation to really build a good foundation so that they become a confident German speaker. In the next stage, my students proceed their weekly practice with a language partner, which is a mandatory part of the program. You only get better with speaking by actually speaking to people. I know that sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people think they can become conversational by playing on Duolingo all day long or doing only grammar drills. I know this sounds harsh, but I want to prevent you from wasting a ton of your time. Of course, grammar is also taught in the academy, but always tied in with practical dialogues to help my students make the bridge between theory and practice. Because it's pretty much useless if you know all the grammar rules, but you aren't able to apply it in your own conversations. So when you research a language course, make sure that it is geared towards practical German and it helps you to build a good foundation in your speaking skills. And if you want to join us in the German Fluency Academy, you can sign up for a call with a real human being, so it's either me or someone on my team, to evaluate whether GFA is a good fit for you and your goals. I'll put the link to apply in the description box below and we'll be super happy to assist you from there. Next, you'll need a language partner. So there are a ton of ways to find a language partner, ideally a native speaker that you can practice with. There is this misconception that you need to be in a German-speaking country in order to speak to natives, which is simply not true. We Germans are literally everywhere. And my students who are based all over the world have found a language partner through Facebook groups, for example, or apps like Lingby, where you can speak with a native speaker. Some of my students have joined regular language meetups in their local area, or have found a German church community where they practice on a regular basis. And it's amazing how you not only improve your language skills, but also make new friends. And this is, at the end of the day, what language learning really is about: communicating with people and making meaningful connections. Lastly, having a plan will definitely help you with staying on track. So as promised, I have a gift for you. You will find my customizable study planner in the description box below that you can use for your German learning journey. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you start strong into the new year. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!